What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to unblock phone number on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open phone app. Now after opening the phone app, click on this three dot more icon and then click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on blocked numbers. Now here it will show you the list of numbers that you have blocked. So to unblock a phone number, just simply click on the cross icon respective to the number you want to unblock, and then from the pop-up click on unblock, and then that number will be unblocked. So that's how you can unblock phone number on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.